Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Today, as you can tell, we are back in the flea town. Ooh. Anyway, so yeah, we are back at the flea town. So yeah, and Green, if you can hear me, I'm like, that is a lot of shulkers. FYI, you scared me. Yeah. Comment down below if I should. Comment down below if I should. Yeah. I swear it's not mine though. Comment down below if I should build a shop, and comment down below where I should put it. Oh wait, weren't we thinking about putting it on top of your cake? Maybe? Yeah. How much did you say it was again? And comment down below what we should sell. Comment down below if we should move the arena, because Green put the path to the tree farm there. Oh, I keep forgetting I have. Okay, so I'm so used to like having the other armor. I forgot I had Frostwalker. Anyway, comment down below if I should move that because of the tree farm. And do you think there's still more dragon eggs from the yeah, Easter egg hunt. I checked and see if there was one at the skyscraper that I forgot, but there wasn't. So I want one for like a memory. So yeah, I'm gonna keep an eye out for one. Also, I think I showed you this before, but if we go under Green's base, let me just go there really quickly. One sec. Okay, not this way. If you go this way, you see if I can water clutch. Hey, water clutch. And like, I take my efficiency 5 axe, and I just place this, and okay, I don't have any more ward-like things, but I just it's like instant break. It's like I'm in creative. It's like so cool. But yeah, we might. Sometime I'm gonna go to the Nether, get some wither skulls, get some netherite. Cause now that I have X-ray, do you think that would be allowed? Green. Do you think I can do the X-ray in the Nether? Come on. Okay. But check this out. I built this mostly by myself, mostly with other people. But yeah, it is This skyscraper, I couldn't think of the name for a second. But yeah, it's like the sky limit. If I had rockets on me, can you just TP me like 5 rockets really quick? Yeah, I just wanna. Okay. I'm like kind of in front of the skyscraper. Or you can warp there. Doesn't matter. Oh, I see you, I see you. Thanks. Whoa, that's more than I asked for. But yeah. Gonna build some more on our base, on skyscraper, on but yeah, place torches up here so mobs won't spawn. But yeah. I do like holes so like I can fly into it. I always do like holes, so like I don't know how much floors I did. But anyway. Can I keep these rockets? You mind the trees? Dang. Anyway, yeah. Yeah, so, yeah, it's just, comment down below where I should fill my shop up here, because I want to pay for one. Yeah, right now I got like a stack and 14 diamonds, so, what are you doing? Okay. Anyway, let's go. Let me show you about our base. Okay, guys, I am in my base while I'm moving out of this part. So we're just getting our stuff out of this and putting it. We're gonna make an elevator soon, I swear. But we need I found a cool idea. Found a good elevator idea that actually works. I showed you in 2 episodes ago. So yeah, if we keep going down here, because we don't want to keep going up and down the ladder. So yeah, right here we're gonna make a vault. I already put my armor here and my sword. I'm gonna put my bow and a chest of arrows and a lot of stuff on this side, and I'm gonna put a dragon egg, and I'm gonna put like a trophy of like emeralds and
hey, Michael.
how much I did, and stuff like
Michael.
that. And
Michael, we're doing drone racing.
Just don't worry about the background. My dad's watching TV and stuff like that. Anyway, so yeah, I think that's gonna be it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, post notifications.
They're doing that at home?
No, they're in a big auditorium. Stadium.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, post notifications, and see you guys next time. Peace.